It is time for your January 2023 market update. So here I am, Stephanie Deeds at Point Realty, your favorite realtor, with your January 2023 market update. So this is a really interesting time in the housing market. If you listen to the media, you're hearing all kinds of, oh my gosh, we're gonna have a crash and people are afraid to buy because prices are gonna come down and interest rates are crazy and affordability and all the things. So let me just give you some data and some true stats so that you can actually know what's happening in specifically the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Because here's the deal, guys. We live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area where last statistic I saw, we're definitely in the top 5 housing markets, not in the country, in the world. It's one of the best housing markets to be in, and the reason for that is because ours doesn't stop or slow down when others do, because we still have people moving here. Businesses are coming here. People are transferring here. They're retiring here. There's just a lot of people moving to Texas, and specifically the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So keeping that in mind, let me just tell you, we did see from January of last year to January of this year, we did see an increase in sales price. Now here's the difference. Last year, the increase in sales price would have been like 20%. I mean, we were seeing numbers rise so high. This year in Tarrant County, it went up 9%, okay? So did prices go up? Yes. Did prices go up as fast? No. So where you hear people talking about a declining market, it's not that prices are declining, the rate of appreciation. We are still appreciating, still going up, but the rate that it's going up has slowed down, okay? It went up 9%, okay? So did prices go up? Yes. Did prices go up as fast? No. So where you hear people talking about a declining market, it's not that prices are declining, the rate of appreciation. We are still appreciating, still going up, but the rate that it's going up has slowed down, okay? All right, Johnson County is 393. That area went up 15%. And then we've got Ellis County at 414. They only went up about 3%, but still an increase. Dallas County up 7% at 468. Collin County up 6% at 584. And Denton County up at 507, okay? One thing that you could say has been a negative change, which I don't necessarily see as negative, is the days on market has almost doubled across the Metroplex. We're seeing an average days on market of 60 to 75 days right now, which before, when it was like 12 days or 15 days or whatever, that was also indicative of so many people wanted to buy a house and so many people couldn't because it was so competitive. So right now with you seeing more days on market, that just means that there's more availability. There's more active listings for sure. Active listings have gone up significantly. The interesting thing is that the total sales volume across the Metroplex and the number of closed sales, it's down by like 15 to 30% depending on which area you're looking at specifically. So what that means to us is that we are seeing fewer sales close, and that is for January. Now here's what I'm going to tell you, because I'm recording this, it's a little bit late. It's the end of February already and I'm finally getting you your January numbers, but I can just tell you from what I have seen this week that I believe we're starting to recover. I think there was a little bit of a lull through the holidays and people adjusting to the interest rates and being kind of watching the market, afraid prices were gonna come down or whatever, keeping an eye out for the crash. But I think people have adjusted to the new normal because I am seeing a ton of activity right now. Listings that weren't selling are selling. Buyers that weren't ready are ready. We're seeing things start to really speed up, and I've had that conversation with multiple agents recently. So if you are curious about what's happening in your area, if you have questions about the market in general, it is my job to keep you informed, so please don't hesitate to reach out, whether you comment, like, share, reply, whatever media you are seeing this on, whether it's email or social media or text message or whatever. Just reply back to me, let me know how I can help, and we would love the opportunity to do so. Have a great week, and we will see you soon. Thanks so much. hope that clears that up. And if you have questions about what we're doing or you're curious or whatever, never hesitate to call, text, email, shoot us a message on social media.